So we can see 4 tabs are open, and our goal is to see if our collaborative document editor works. And to edit the document, the user needs to register and log in first. So we're seeing that, and we'll be creating some users, register them, and log them in. So yeah, uh, Tina, let's say I'm using JWT for authentication purpose, and as soon as the user registers, you can see the document editor opens. Okay, and right now I'm just registering 3 people, and we will see why. So what should happen is, um, let's say if Joe starts typing, Tina and Udit should get that update on their doc, okay, on their side. So let's say if Joe starts typing something, Joe is here, so you can see Tina and Udit are able to see that update. And let's say if Tina or yeah, I I am Tina, so you can see Joe and Udit is getting the update. Let's see if Udit, hello, I am Udit. So yeah, this also works. So um, what I want to check now is, um, when a new user registers, is that user able to see the same state of the document? So whenever a new user registers, let's say Kajal, let's register Kajal first, okay, and logs in. Kajal should be able to get into this editor. Kajal should be able to get into this editor and see the same state of document that Joey, Tina, and Udit are seeing. So these 3 lines should be updated on Kajal's side. Okay, let's see. Yes, he does. So now if Kajal edits something, everyone will continue. I am late, but Kajal. Yeah, great. So uh, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how it is working. So the server is maintaining the document state. Basically, server is maintaining the document state using YJS. We are using YJS for it. So this is the doc which is server is maintaining, and whenever a new client is connected, um, the uh, the updated document, whatever the document state, is sent to the client, and that client is also added to a client set. And whenever someone edits, there is a message event, and when the message event is triggered, this happens. Update is applied to the doc, ydoc, the server, and that updated doc is sent to all the clients which are inside of this set. So that's how it is working. And yeah, this is just authentication, and that purpose is login and register. And this is upgrade, the upgrade event which is offering. And yeah, so we handle that upgrade, and we make the WS handshake. Okay, so yeah, connection event is emitted here, You can see WSS creates a connection event, and this emitted, and this is uh, uh, basically fetched by this event listener, or whatever they call it, WSS on connection, and then the further things happen. And this is the doc which is getting updated and broadcasted to all the clients. This is the server side, and this is the React component which is responsible for these updates. This text area and this collaborative document editor is under this component, React component. So um, yeah, so all the clients need to be able to have their own local state, and that local state need to be communicated to the server state. So they make changes on their local state, which is sent to the server, and whatever the message comes from the server is updated to the local state. So that's how it works. Whenever something input happens in the document, it is sent socket dot sent. Uh, we are creating this socket, right, with WebSockets. So it is sent. The update is sent to the server, and since YJS uses the CRDT approach, there is not the conflict resolved. The conflict is automatically resolved, and it is handled. The conflict and state is handled by YJS on the server itself. So yeah, that is how basically it is working. So yes, okay.